Guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm going to be riding my bike down this hill, so it's going to be very hard to record. So yeah, let's do this. And I don't think I'm going to be able to use my brakes. Yeah! That was actually pretty fun, guys. I'm gonna go on a better hill right here. So see you guys in a second. Guys, my friend came outside and I was playing basketball. Okay, guys, I'm going down. Let's do it. Please don't crash. Woo! Yeah. Okay, guys, last hill of the day. Last hill of the day. I'm gonna be going down the first hill that I went down. And I might possibly get on another one. So let's do this. This is going really smoothly since I don't have a tablet. It might seem like I have a camera. Let's go, guys. Very smooth. Music. Okay, made it. That was hard. Let's get on the last hill. Okay, guys, last hill. So let's get on this sucker. Alright, let's move. It's him. Hurry, move. Come on, get out of the way.
Yeah, I came in with the sauce. Yeah, I came in with the
Josh is smart, so. Thank you for watching this video. Ha, gotcha. The video is not over yet. We still have a big sucker to get on. And it is almost straight down, so see there, it is pretty much like a... Guys, I can't believe I'm about to do this. I'm not scared, but I'm really happy that I'm catching this on video. So, I really hope you guys love this. And leave a like and subscribe. If I get 50 subscribers, I'm going to be doing something special. Okay, guys, I'm here. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. I'm so scared. Ah! Have to now. No. This isn't good. Ah! My mom told me I couldn't do this, but I am. That was intense. Straight down. Yeah, you want to watch the sucky dances. Okay, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, and bye.